In a recent Barron's article, Michael Burry made comments regarding AMC and the entire meme stock group and how the move is just simply not sustainable and will end poorly, to say the least. Here we go. Here's the article, recent article anyways, talking about Michael Burry's comments on not only AMC, but the entire meme stock group and how it will inevitably end in tears. Guys, let's talk a little bit about today's action because, yeah, we are a little bit negative on AMC, to say the least, but we have to kind of keep things in context here. Yesterday and 2 days ago, big positive moves for the stock. So is this just congestion a little bit and a little bit of consolidation, or are we looking at something more?
Okay, let's try to get a couple of things out of the way. So for anyone who doesn't know who Michael Burry is, big short fame in Scion Capital, housing crisis bubble. Like he's a successful investor. But I'm just going to read the quote that I think is the most important here. And again, like we're going to be talking about his comments. So you know, I don't know when meme stocks such as this will crash, but we probably do not have to wait long. Here's the key. As I believe the retail crowd is fully invested in this theme and Wall Street has jumped on the coattails. Now, there is a little bit of this is where there might be a distinction that can get made. And I think a lot of people are probably going to point this out. AMC is 80% owned by retail investors. So to the extent that other meme stocks have probably had a little bit more involvement in driving them up when they do go up from institutions, AMC kind of does stand out because it has heavier retail involvement. Obviously, sell pressure coming in when the dump comes. Anyone that's going to be doing a short-term trade is going to cause a bigger push down, and if there's not as much of that, AMC could find a better floor for those fundamental reasons. It's exactly what I think a lot of people will be thinking here, so I'm just going to say that out loud. I think there's a bit of a distinction that you can make, but it's obviously true that there is always the risk that, like, let AMC, like any stock, you can see what's happened recently. Yeah, that it could come down fast. Will it find some support? I can't really say. I mean, you can kind of see the double bottom it made here and is still trying to hold a higher low. So from a technical standpoint, I mean, there's certainly some levels that we can look at that would look pretty interesting to me. But it's that key point for me where I say that he's talking about the entire meme space. And then part of the reason is that you have retail fully in and institutions jammed into some of these, so when they sell, it's going to come back in. AMC is a little bit different from the others in that regard.
Look, we're just let's call it what it is. We're just cherry picking this article. I mean, this is from July 1st. Guys, July 1st, this article's from. Today's date, as I look at it, is July 22nd, okay? So if you go over here to July 1st, when this article came out, you have AMC at 56.57. It closes that day at 54. So it is right near this kind of breaking spot. And yeah, it's gone down. I mean, I don't know what a crash is and what he defines as a crash, but I mean, this is a nice little move downside from 54 down to 30. So if that's a crash, then that's the crash. I have no idea if Michael Burry's calling anything like this because he doesn't shout out AMC specifically, but this is a downward move. Like Neil said, there's a lot of meme stocks that are much more memey, in my opinion, than AMC, and I believe that those stocks may be in trouble as well, but GameStop and AMC have come down since this July 1st article. So, I mean, also we do have summertime trading as well being a factor here, but we'll see where AMC can go from now. But hey, you know, when you get a famed guy like Michael Burry talking about AMC and crypto and all these kind of crashes, obviously people pay attention. So this is something that I think, although 3 weeks old, something that people are always going to turn back to, including us.
And we have to keep it in context, as we said here, guys. And as you know, this is an older article. We have to understand everyone's going to have opinions. Everyone's going to have ideas as to how to approach this. Our job is to simply take that information and try and understand best we can how to make educated decisions around where you put your money to work. Whether or not AMC will crash is up to the market. It's up to the world, right? So stick around. There's way more to come when it comes to AMC. Here's Valeria.
Hey guys, thank you for bringing up this information. Dear viewers, please subscribe to this channel to see more market updates.